having a great day. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching my channel. My name is Nicole if you're here for the first time, and I highly appreciate it if you decide to subscribe to my channel. Today I decided to make a dill and potato soup. This is one of my favorite soups since I was a little child, and what I like about this recipe is that you don't have to use any flour. I'm using just the potatoes to make the soup a little bit thicker. So if you're interested how I make this dill potato soup, please continue watching. And as with all my recipes, you can find the shopping list in the description box. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. So for this recipe, we're going to use one small yellow onion. I'm gonna use 4 larger potatoes, and I'm gonna use a whole bunch of fresh dill. And we're gonna start by peeling and chopping the onion. And the pieces don't have to be too small because we're gonna be mixing everything together with a hand mixer. So I'm gonna take this larger pot and put the onion in it. And now I'm going to peel and cut the potatoes. So rinse the potatoes. So cut the potatoes to rather small pieces. That way the cooking process is gonna take less time. And also I think it's more pleasant when you're eating the soup when the pieces are smaller. And now I'm going to rinse the dill and cut the dill in half. And I'm going to chop the dill to small pieces. Put a little bit aside just for decoration. So now put a small piece of butter in the pot and saute the onion for approximately 5 minutes. After approximately 5 minutes, add the potatoes in. Saute for 2 minutes, and in 2 minutes add water, either cold or boiling. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable bouillon, a little bit of pepper, put a little bit of caraway seeds, approximately half a teaspoon. And now I'm going to add the stems from the dill. I'm also going to add 1 bay leaf, and then I'm going to add allspice. And now we're going to cook this for 15 minutes. And now that the soup is cooking, I'm also going to hard boil some eggs, which we're going to serve with the soup at the end. So put 2 eggs in a pot, cover with water, and once the water reaches boiling point, cook for 10 minutes. So after 15 minutes, turn it down. Get out the dill, at least the thickest stems, you can leave a little bit in though. And also take out the bay leaf and the allspice. And now take some potatoes out, approximately 1/3. And now we're going to blend everything together. Add heavy cream and the remaining part of the dill. Mix it in. And now as the last step, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of caster sugar, as well as 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. It can be apple cider vinegar, or I'm using white wine vinegar. And now cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. You can also taste the soup now to see if it has enough salt. So to serve the soup, I'm going to add some potatoes. I'm going to put in the egg and cut it in half. You can also cut it in quarters. And now pour the soup in. And as the last step, sprinkle some of the fresh dill over the top. And the dill potato soup is ready.